Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your network settings and adapters on Windows 10. So if you are facing any problems with internet on your Windows 10 operating system and you have tried every type of troubleshooting and your problem doesn't seem to fix, and every time you troubleshoot this internet problem it fails, then it's the right time to reset your adapters. Now it's important to note that resetting your network adapters means that their configuration goes back to the default configurations. So before you begin, go through all the important network settings and write them down so you can reset your network settings after you are done with the network reset. Now that's been said, let's get started with resetting all network adapters in Windows 10. So what you need to do is you just need to click on this Windows Start button and then go to Settings and then go to Network and Internet. And then under Status, you will find, when you scroll down here, the last option here is Network Reset option. So just click on this Network Reset option. So straight away on this network reset window, you will see reset now, and it's important to read this message. This will remove, then reinstall all network adapters and set other networking component back to their original setting. So you might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client and software for virtual switches. So if you don't have VPN, then you don't need to worry about the VPN, and if you don't have the virtual switches, then also you don't need to worry about them. So just click on reset now and then click on yes, which is going to reset your network. And now I can see this message which says you're about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Shutdown will start on this date. Okay, so I need to wait for some time for this to happen. So I will wait for some time until my Windows will be signed out automatically. So at this point you can close this window. Also you can reboot your Windows operating system manually if you don't want to wait for 5 minutes, which is set by this network reset window. So now I can see just 2 minutes are remaining. And now I can see that my Windows operating system is restarting automatically. And once I'm logged into my Windows operating system, my network adapters will be reset. So this is how you can reset your network adapters on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.